If you are encountering this error whilst trying to load up Battlefield 6, there actually is a pretty easy way to fix this, which I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. First off, if you haven't already installed the Nvidia GeForce driver, make sure to do so through this link. I will also leave you it down below. Make sure to just download the actual installer, and you're then going to basically install the Nvidia app. Once you've did so, this is basically going to look like this. Once you're on the home tab, head over to the drivers tab, and as you can see, now there is an update available and we can actually update the Nvidia Studio driver. However, make sure to actually choose the game ready driver right here and make sure to update this one, okay? So then just click on download. Then make sure to install it. I'm just going to choose the express installation. And as you can see, we will now basically have to restart our system, and once we've did so, Battlefield 6 is now finally going to work. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.